Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. If you are looking for a naked bike that combines performance, style, and technology, you might want to take a look at the 2023 Aprilia Tuono 660. This bike is the younger sibling of the legendary Tuono V4 1100, but it has its own personality and charm. In fact, it has a secret weapon that not many people know about: winglets. What are winglets and why do they matter? Winglets are aerodynamic devices that are attached to the sides of the bike's fairing. They look like small fins or spoilers, and they have a very important function: they generate downforce. Downforce is the force that pushes the bike down to the ground, increasing stability and grip at high speeds and in corners. Winglets are usually found on MotoGP bikes or high-end sport bikes, but the Tuono 660 is one of the few naked bikes that have them. According to Aprilia, the winglets on the Tuono 660 can produce up to 8 kilograms of downforce at 200 km/h, which is equivalent to having a passenger on board. That means you can enjoy more confidence and control when you unleash the bike's potential. What else does the Tuono 660 offer? The Tuono 660 is not just about winglets, though. It also has a lot of other features that make it a great choice for riders who want a versatile and fun bike. Here are some of them. A 659 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers 100 horsepower and 67 newton meters of torque with a smooth and linear power delivery. A lightweight chassis made of aluminum alloy with a seat height of 820 millimeters and a wet weight of 183 kilograms. A sophisticated electronics package that includes ride-by-wire throttle, 5 riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, cruise control, cornering ABS, and a 6-axis IMU. A quickshifter that allows clutchless upshifts and downshifts. A premium suspension that includes an adjustable USD fork and a single shock with preload and rebound adjustment. A digital instrument panel that displays all the information you need, such as speed, RPM, gear, fuel level, trip meter, lap timer, and more. A stylish design that follows the family resemblance of the Tuono V4 1100 with sharp lines, LED lights, and 3 color options: Rush Gray, Torque Red, and Acid Gold. How much does it cost and when will it be available? The Tuono 660 is expected to hit the dealerships in early 2023 with a starting price of $10,499 for the base model and $10,999 for the factory version. That may seem like a lot for a middleweight naked bike, but considering all the features and performance that it offers, it may be worth it. If you are interested in the Tuono 660, you can visit Aprilia's website or your nearest dealer to learn more about it. You can also read some reviews from reputable sources to get an idea of what other riders think about it. The Tuono 660 is a bike that promises to shake up the way you look at the world. It has everything you need to have fun on the road or on the track, plus a secret weapon that sets it apart from the crowd: winglets. Are you ready to fly with it? Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.